Sounds. Sounds of EMI. Top albums of the week as EMI Australia Limited says hello through London, Liberty, 20th Fox, Land, MGM, Decca, and his master's voice. Hi, Kev Golsby here and ready to spin our first for the week. On America's premier label, Capitol, Sounds of EMI presents Jonah Jones with the Glenn Gray Orchestra. Man with a Trumpet, Jonah Jones, backed by Glenn Gray's famous Casa Loma Orchestra and a 12-track tribute to the all-time great trumpet men of jazz. Arrangements by Benny Carter, the album swinging through 2 O'Clock Jump, Harry James, I Can't Get Started, Bunny Berrigan, West End Blues, Louis Armstrong, and many others. It's available now on Capitol, Jumpin' Jonah Jones with Glenn Gray. From the days of the great soloists and those wonderful big band memories of the 1940s, Sounds of EMI moves to another fine album now available, this time on MGM. The top-selling pop female vocalist on the scene today.
I hear a bird, a Londonderry bird. It well may be he's bringing me a cheering word.
Connie Francis.
I hear a breeze, a river Shannon breeze. It well may be it's followed me across the seas. Then tell me, in Glacamara, is that little brook still leaping there? Does it still run down to Donegal? Through Killybegs, Kilkerry and Kildare? How are things in Glacamara? Is that willow tree still weeping there? And does that laddie with the twinkling eye come whistling by? So I ask each weeping willow and each brook along the way, and each lad that comes listen to relate how are things in the world this fine day.
Connie Francis sings Irish Favorites. That's the title of this new MGM, orchestral backing by well-known writer and arranger Don Costa. This is a disc that I think will go down as an all-time favorite with lovers of Irish melodies the world over. What do you say? Listen to some of the songs that Connie sings.
It's a great day for the Irish. It's a great day for fair. The sidewalks of New York are thick with Barney. For sure you'd think New York was old Killarney. Something grand, a credit to old Ireland is mad.
Connie Francis sings Irish Favorites in your record store now. This is Sounds of EMI.
In the past few years, a type of meeting place has grown up throughout the country which is called a coffee house. There are many uninitiated people who have never been into a coffee house, I being one of them. We're seated now at a table across from which is a man who seems rather depressed. Sir, you are depressed. Would it be getting too personal to ask you why?
I'm not pretty.
You are depressed because you feel you're not attractive.
I'm not attractive.
You're not good looking.
No, I'm not.
What would you say, sir?
That's why I'm mainly depressed.
Well, may I say something to you, sir?
Yes.
You are a very attractive person. You're as attractive as 9 out of 15 people I know.
You're very kind.
But you are. You're not an unattractive person.
You're very sweet, but I know the truth, and I face it every morning.
You're a good-looking man, sir.
I'm not a man. I'm a woman.
The voices you've just heard belong to Carl Reiner and Mel Brooks, two of the new wave of funny men to emerge in the last, 3 or 4 years. This is a collection of ad-lib routines recorded by Capitol. Both Reiner and Brooks have extensive show business backgrounds, writing, for instance, many sketches for the New Faces series on Broadway and for the Sid Caesar TV show. This, then, is the ad-lib or unrehearsed humor of Carl Reiner and Mel Brooks.
In a corner of the coffee house, there's a gentleman sitting with a very, very strange instrument on his lap. Sir, may we speak with you?
Hello.
What is your name, sir? May we get your name?
My name is Charlie Grape.
Charlie Grape.
Yes.
Do you perform here at the coffee house?
Yes, on occasion I do, and then they kind of get mad at me, and then I don't.
I think I can get permission for you to play for us. I'd like to...
Can you?
Yes. I would...
It's the first time I've ever gotten permission here. Just kind of...
We'd certainly like to hear a sample of your music.
Certainly. Let me just get tuned up. I'm trying to find an A here. There it is. There's got it first shot out of the box. That's my A.
Now, what are you going to play for us?
22 Men.
All right, for the record, 22 Men.
22 Men. Here we go.
Sung by Charlie Grape.
Here we are. I get mainly A out of it. You know? Yeah, I don't get more than A out of it. 22 men fell down and hurt their knees. 22 men fell down and hurt their knees. 22 men fell down to the ground. 22 men fell down and hurt their knees. Would you like to hear the release?
Do you have one?
Yeah. Now 22 men fell down and hurt their...
That's not a releaser. That's the same as the
Yeah.
bridge.
Okay. Okay, how about another completely different song and a new tune?
Yes, I'd like.
Okay.
Can you make it up on the spot?
I certainly can. It's my best part, making
This is
it up.
extemporaneous.
Yeah, whatever. 22 German soldiers hurt their knees. 22 German I think you know that tune, yeah.
It's very similar to the other one.
Yeah, well-
How does it differ?
It differs in the fact that the first 22 men were not German soldiers.
It's called 2,000 Years with Carl Reiner and Mel Brooks. Been a popular and good-selling disc for some time now, and in my book, well worth spinning again. Some fine LP releases are now available this week through EMI. On London, we have Danny Kaye and Stories of Faraway Places. There's a real collector's item. The Drifters and Save the Last Dance for Me. On Vogue, Helen Hume sings Songs I Like to Sing. And on Liberty, Johnny Burnett sings. They're available in your store now. And finally, the pick of the week from Nat King Cole.
Oye la confesión de mi secreto, nace de un corazón que está desierto. Con tres palabras te diré todas mis cosas, cosas del corazón que son preciosas. Dame tus manos, ven, toma las mías, que te voy a confiar las ansias mías. Son tres palabras solamente, mis angustias, y esas palabras son como me gustas.
Dame tus manos, ven, toma las mías, que te voy a confiar las ansias mías.
Son tres palabras solamente, mis angustias, y esas palabras son como me gustas.
Recorded in Mexico, Nat Cole's latest release and available now. More Cole Espanol. Sounds of EMI, Kev Golsby. That's all for now.